Hi guys, bright sunny afternoon. I thought I might just sit here and use the Wi-Fi microscope to have a look at these dead bugs. But before I do that, I'll just show you I've made myself a 3D printed bracket so I can attach it to one of my normal tripods, because when they come with these little brackets on them, or little pivoty things, which are, well, I suppose they're okay, but I'd say they were rubbish, to be honest. They clip on there like that. That's my USB microscope. But I was going to say they're identical. There's a minor difference in them actually when I look at them side on. This one's got a slightly longer or wider bit to it, but I think they're effectively interchangeable. But I just wanted to put one onto a tripod. So this is my, I would say version 1, it's actually about version 6, but it's still not quite right. It does fit on there quite nicely. It's not quite as snug fitting as I'd like it to be, but I thought I'd give it a try today. So, Wi-Fi microscope, which you have to link to your phone. Give me a few seconds while my phone catches up with life. It is incredibly slow, this phone. I've got to get rid of it. Right, turn microscope on by holding that button in until it's on, because the LEDs are alight now. So now, if we scan through here, we should eventually be able to find the right Wi-Fi. It's not seeing it yet. Oh, there we are. Max C Dab 1. That's the one. Actually, you can't see it anyway, can you? Because it's too bright in here. So you just have to take my word for it. Oh, it does come up with a warning. Internet unavailable, which is okay because we don't want to get on the internet. Right, connect to the Max C app. You won't be able to see what I'm looking at anyway, will you? But we are now looking at the microscope. Right, so I don't think you'll be able to see that. I'm going to leave the main camera on because obviously we get no audio with the microscope. I will now start video recording. I would do if it does what it says on the box. Come on. Right, we are now video recording and we're looking at one of these dead flies. We're not really up close, but it's still closer than I would be if I was using my Canon PowerShot. Let's have a look at the other one. we'll move down a bit closer in a minute. I just thought I'd get some general idea how it looks. The other thing with the Wi-Fi link to my phone is my phone very rapidly runs out of memory and then starts shutting down. So I have to remember to do it in little bites. So I'll just shut that down for a minute. And start it again. Go back to the other one. Look at the big one as well, or the bigger one. Oops. Losing it, losing the focus. I think that'll do, because I've probably filled up the memory in my phone. So we'll call that a day, and because the sun's moved round. This is clearly not a good place to do it. I thought natural light might have been handy, but it isn't. It's better to rely on the LED lights in the microscope. Still, I've tried it. If I hadn't tried it, I wouldn't know. One little thing. When you read reviews of these microscopes, some people say they're rubbish and won't focus. That's because they haven't taken the dust cap off. So as long as you realise that is a dust cap and you have to take it off, you're okay. Right, we'll go and download this and see what we've got. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.